This is how to use LeanLaw's public API. The first thing you need to do is create an API key, and this is done in your firm's settings in the API page. Click Generate API Key, give your key a name, and click Save. You now have an API key that you can copy to clipboard using this button right here. Today we'll be using our API key in our API Explorer. LeanLaw's API is a GraphQL API, and this Explorer lets you experiment with the various GraphQL requests that are available. More information, along with the process you're watching me do right now, is in our API documentation. To authenticate, we need to provide the API key in the HTTP header up here. We do that by typing some quotes and pasting in our API key. This authenticates the Explorer with your LeanLaw account, and now you can experiment with requests. For a full list of requests, the schema can be viewed by clicking on the schema button right here. I already know a few, so I'm going to experiment by asking the API to get all of my matters and matter IDs. I start with query, brace, matters, brace, items, brace, and then name and ID. You can also hold Control and press spacebar while you're in the text right here to see a list of all available commands. Now, I'm ready to send my request, so I'm going to hit Execute, which is this play button up here. We can now see in this window that the API has retrieved a list of all of my matters as well as their IDs and names in an itemized list. And that's how you use LeanLaw's public API.